The rainforest glistened under the moon, its dense foliage bathed in a silvery glow. The night was alive with the subtle sounds of nature, yet there was an unmistakable sense of emptiness. Loose, a glass frog, clung to a leaf, his tiny body almost invisible against the lush greenery. He was a small, delicate creature in a vast, sprawling world. His skin, transparent as dew, shone in the soft light, revealing the intricate workings of his fragile form. The moonlight seemed to caress him, highlighting his delicate beauty. He called out, his voice echoing in the vast emptiness, a solitary note in the symphony of the night. Each call was a plea, a desperate attempt to connect with another. No answer came. Lus was alone. The silence that followed his calls was deafening, a stark reminder of his isolation. He remembered a time when the forest teemed with life, when the air was thick with the sounds of countless creatures. The memories were bittersweet, a reminder of what once was. Every night, a chorus of frogs filled the air, their voices blending into a harmonious melody that resonated through the trees. It was a symphony of life, a testament to the thriving ecosystem. Now silence hung heavy, a constant reminder of his solitude. The once vibrant forest was now eerily quiet, the absence of his kin palpable. Where had all his kind gone? The question lingered in his mind, a haunting echo that refused to fade. The forest, once a sanctuary, now felt like a desolate wasteland. Lus yearned for the familiar calls, for the comfort of his own. He longed for the days when he was surrounded by the warmth and presence of his fellow frogs, a time when he was never truly alone. Every night, Lus searched for others. He hopped from leaf to leaf, his calls growing weaker. The forest floor, once teeming with insects, was bare. Towering trees lay felled, their branches silent. Despair gnawed at Lus's tiny heart. The air, thick with the scent of decay, spoke of destruction. He had seen the humans, their machines tearing through his home. Their presence meant only silence, emptiness, and the ever-growing fear within him. Far away, a different kind of human arrived. They studied the ravaged land, their faces etched with concern. They spoke of disappearing species, of the delicate balance of nature. These humans understood the damage. They marked areas, declaring them protected. They planted new trees, their leaves promising a return to green. Hope, fragile yet persistent, flickered in the ruins. Could these humans be different? Nature's resilience, a symphony of renewal. Slowly, life returned. The forest, once a silent witness to devastation, began to breathe again. The trees, with their roots deep in the earth, found strength to grow anew. The canopy, once sparse, now teemed with life. The air, once heavy with silence, vibrated with the chirping of crickets. Their song, a delicate melody, signaled the return of life. In the meadows, insects buzzed, their wings creating a gentle hum that filled the air. New leaves unfurled, reaching for the sunlight. Each leaf, a testament to the forest's determination, stretched towards the sky. The vibrant green of spring painted the landscape with hope and renewal. The scent of fresh earth replaced the stench of decay. The forest floor, nourished by the rain, sprouted new life. Tiny plants emerged, their roots anchoring them firmly in the rejuvenated soil. Lus watched, his heart filled with cautious hope. He had witnessed the forest's fall, but now he saw its rise. Each new sprout, each chirp, each unfurling leaf was a promise of a brighter future. One night, a familiar sound broke through the quiet. The forest, bathed in moonlight, seemed to hold its breath. The night was alive with the sounds of nature, a symphony in the dark. Another glass frog, clinging to a nearby leaf, answered Lus's call. Then another and another. The forest echoed with their calls, a chorus of resilience and hope. The symphony of their voices, a testament to nature's resilience, filled the night. The forest, once silent, now sang with life. It was a reminder that even in the darkest times, renewal is always possible. The last song, no longer lonely. Once the forest was filled with the solitary croaks of a single glass frog, echoing through the night. His song was a melancholic melody, a cry for companionship in the vast, moonlit rainforest. Lus, no longer alone, joined the chorus. The once solitary notes transformed into a symphony as more glass frogs gathered, their voices blending harmoniously. The rainforest, once silent and somber, now buzzed with life and music. His voice, once filled with despair, now resonated with hope. Each croak was a testament to resilience, a declaration that even in the darkest times, hope could be found. The forest listened, and it responded. The rainforest, scarred but healing, echoed with the song of the glass frogs. The scars of deforestation were still visible, but nature was reclaiming its space. The frog's song was a healing balm, soothing the wounds of the forest. It was a song of survival, a testament to the power of conservation. Efforts to protect the rainforest were paying off, and the glass frogs were a symbol of this success. Their survival was a beacon of hope for all species. Every species, no matter how small, plays a vital role. The delicate balance of the ecosystem depended on each creature, from the tiniest insect to the largest mammal. Together, they created a vibrant, thriving environment. We must protect our planet's fragile ecosystems. The rainforest is a treasure trove of biodiversity, and its preservation is crucial for the health of our planet. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that future generations can enjoy its beauty and benefits. For within their delicate balance lies the hope for a future where the music of life continues to play. The harmony of the rainforest is a reminder that with care and effort, we can create a world where nature thrives and the songs of the wild are never silenced.